Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G42 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see this is the list of previously visited websites, and if you want to you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on those X buttons right next to it. But if in your case this list is too long to do that, and if you want to remove some advanced browsing data, simply tap on Clear Browsing Data at the top. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookie sensor data, and cached images and files. And in advanced also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. What is more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time or last 7 days, whatever. Just pick the option you want to use and then tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.